Hello friends, welcome to my class. Let's practice kanji. Yesterday we practiced 3 kanji. One is hito, another is kuchi, another is kuruma. Okay. These 3 kanji we practiced yesterday. Okay. Today we will practice mon, he and miju. Mon kanji derived from this get. Simplification of get picture is mon kanji. So meaning is get. This is simplified from the fire. So meaning is fire. And this kanji simplified from the picture of water drops. This kanji meaning is water. Okay. So mon, he, miju. We are going to practice these 3 kanji today. Okay. This kanji simplify from this picture. Meaning of this kanji is get. Kunyomi, kado and onyomi, mon. Okay. Kake kata, how to write? Ichi, ichi ni san, ichi ni san shi. Ichi ni san shi go, ichi ni san shi go roku, ichi ni san shi go roku shichi, ichi ni san shi go roku shichi hachi. Strokes kakusu 8. Okay. Kunyomi you can say also. So as this reading is written in the bracket and you are in basic, so it is okay if you don't remember. Okay. You just remember mon, it is mostly useful. Ichi ni san shi go roku shichi hachi. Mon, get. As it is get, we can say also higashimon. Higashimon means east gate, Nishimon west gate, okay, Kitamon north gate, Minamimon south gate. So Higashi kanji is this, it is very simple kanji, so I am writing, okay, Higashi, Higashi mon, Higashimon east gate, Higashimon east gate. Okay. Senmon, sen kanji I am not writing because it is little difficult for as a beginner. We will learn it later. So senmon is specialty or specialization. We have special subject now in university. In university, so senmon is specialty. Okay. We learn mon, get, higashimon, east gate, senmon, specialty. Okay. So just practice. Ichi ni san shi go roku shichi hachi. Mon, get. Ichi ni san shi go roku shichi hachi. Mon, get. Ichi ni san shi go roku shichi hachi. Mon, get. Senmon, senmon speciality. Senmon speciality. Higasimon East Gate. Okay. This way you just practice 2-3 times, you will remember. Okay. Next kanji is fire. Kunyomi is he, onyomi it is ka. How to write? It is come ichi ni san shi. Kakusu 4 strokes are there in kakusu, 4 strokes. Ichi ni san shi hi, ichi ni san shi hi. Okay. He fire. So this reading also in ka. So kayobi Tuesday. Okay. He fire kayobi Tuesday. Next kazan. We already learned yama kanji. Here it is we are learning fire. So kazan is where volcan it is erupt in mountain. So he kanji and yama kanji. It became kazan. A volcano. So we learn 3 vocabulary from this kanji. You can practice now. Ichi ni san shi hi fire. Ichi ni san shi hi fire. Ichi ni san shi hi ni san shi ka kayobi no ka. Ichi ni san shi ka kazan no ka. Ichi ni san shi hi fire kayobi no ka kazan no ka. Okay. If you write 2-3 times or 3-4 times a kanji, and while you are writing, if you read the vocabulary also, you really understand very nicely. And the most important is you must know the meaning of the kanji. Okay. Next, let's learn next kanji. This is the last kanji of today. Meaning of this kanji is water. Kunyomi is Mizu and onyomi is sui. How to write? Kakikhata ichi ni san shi. Kakusu 4 strokes. Okay. So write some vocabulary so that you can remember properly. Ichi ni san shi Mizu water. Again sui, one reading is sui. We will make one word in that reading. Sui yobi Wednesday. Okay. We already learned in lesson. Next kanji is Sweden. We already learned rice field. That onyomi of rice field kanji is then. So Sweden. Do you know that rice field needs more water? A rice field. Okay. So let's practice. Ichi ni san shi Mizu water. Ichi ni san shi Mizu water. Ichi ni san shi Mizu water. Ichi ni san shi suyobi no sui. Ichi ni san shi Sweden no sui. Ichi ni san shi suyobi no sui. Ichi ni san shi Sweden a rice field. Okay, no sui. Mizu and sui. Okay, we practiced the how to write the kanji and also 3 vocabularies. Okay, as you are practicing from beginning, so it is okay 3 vocabularies of a kanji. Main important is meaning of the kanji and kaki khata. How to write so you never forget the stroke. So today we learn which kanjis. One is mon kanji get. Second one is fire kanji he. Third one is water kanji miju. Okay, this is mon, this is he and ka, this is miju and sui. Dear friends, this video I am making for my students, those who are enrolled in sign language and Mamita Online, because they should practice every day some kanji and make them to habit to practice it. Okay, and as I am uploading in YouTube, anyone can practice it. It will help to them in their studies. Okay, जब हम कुछ सीखते हैं तो हम नॉलेज एक्वायर करते हैं. अगर हम प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे तो वो नॉलेज यूजफुल नहीं होगा. सो it requires some practice of that knowledge, so it will be sharpened. That makes us perfect. Okay, now we are practicing 3 kanji every day. After some, when we enter to higher level kanji, I will make it 2 kanji per a day. Okay, yes my friends, I am teaching in sign language. It provides regular courses, and I have also another platform, that is mamitaonline.com. Here I provided courses for the self-study people. Those who are doing self-study, for them I am providing over here. If you want, you can visit the website and enroll there. But the most important is you need to practice. And I am let my students, those who are already enrolled in sign language, please practice 3 kanji every day. Okay, it makes you perfect. So today's kanji is this much. Tomorrow we are going to learn kin kanji, chuchi kanji and kodomo no ko kanji. These 3 kanji we will learn in next class tomorrow. Okay, this class is this much. Tomorrow we will learn again 3 kanjis. Till that time, sayonara, stay healthy, stay safely.